Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Smart Hustles. Today I'm sharing 5 powerful AI side hustles you can launch right now with free tools and no special skills. Ask it to brainstorm, outline, and write an ebook, email course, or blog series. Paste your script, choose a style, and let the tool generate visuals, voiceover, and captions automatically. Upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and watch ad revenue and sponsorship offers roll in. With free plans on platforms like ManyChat, you can set up a ChatGPT-powered customer support bot on a website or Facebook Messenger. Charge a setup fee and an optional monthly retainer. I signed 3 local clients last month and made $600 without extra work. My Faceless AI channel made $500 in 2 weeks using this exact process. Then package your work as a PDF or video course on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new strategy. Use Canva's AI image tool or Leonardo AI to design posters, mugs, and t-shirts. Upload your designs to Etsy or Redbubble and earn $5 to $20 per sale while you sleep. I launched my own ebook in under an hour and earned my first $200 before breakfast. First, you can use ChatGPT to create digital products in minutes. Next, try CapCut AI to turn text into viral videos. You can also create print-on-demand products using AI-generated art. Always verify requests, protect your content, and never share your credentials. Another opportunity is building automated chatbots for small businesses. Use free or freemium tools like Resemble AI to produce professional voiceovers. Share this with a friend who needs to see it before AI leaves them behind. List your service on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can earn $300 or more per week from just a few orders. Finally, offer AI voice cloning services for podcasts and ads. If you're ready to start, hit subscribe, like this video, and comment hustle below. Remember, AI can help you build multiple income streams with one simple workflow, but it can also be misused. If you're serious about using AI smartly, subscribe to AI Smart Hustles for weekly income hacks and tutorials. In 2025, the smartest hustlers will be those who work with AI. Let's